With Intermatic's new PE24GVA Pool and Spa Actuator, there's never been a faster or easier way to adjust the cams for optimal water flow. The first step is to remove the handle and then the cover. Then place the handle back on the shaft. Now make sure it's connected to power and flip the bottom 3 position switch to check the stopping point. Clockwise rotation stops when the top cam lobe contacts the top micro switch. In this example, we want to shut the valve completely and divert all water flow to the other direction. As you can see, the valve handle has not stopped at a 90-degree angle to the actuator, so some water is still getting through. Push down and turn the top cam counterclockwise to increase the distance between the top cam lobe and top micro switch. Leaving the toggle switch in the same position, adjust the top cam position until the handle stops at the desired stopping point. Now, flip the bottom switch in the opposite direction to check the bottom cam's stopping point. Counterclockwise rotation stops when the bottom cam lobe contacts the bottom micro switch. In this example, the valve handle is not at a 90-degree angle to the actuator, so water flow has not been completely diverted at the stopping point. Push down and turn the bottom cam clockwise to increase the distance between the bottom cam lobe and the bottom switch point. Keeping the switch activated, adjust the bottom cam position until the handle stops at the desired stopping point. And that's it! You have successfully adjusted the cams of the Intermatic PE24GVA Pool and Spa Actuator without any tools and without the need to remove any internal parts. You can now remove the handle and replace the actuator cover. And if you have any questions or need help at any step in the process, you can call or email technical support at the contact information listed on the screen. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or visit our webpage for more tutorials.